I am very excited. I will admit that I've been having a couple of bad weeks. Medically, I'm not feeling very well, but I just got a ding on my phone that my new Causebox was delivered. So I thought I'd show you what was inside of it, because this is the perfect pick-me-up for me today. So number one, the box is gorgeous, as they usually are. And these end, I have all of mine stacked up and filled with fabric and quilt projects. So let me open this up. By the way, if you do not have an Olfa touch knife, you need one. I have one of these in everything that looks like a junk drawer in my house. So it's an Olfa blade that you just pop out and use to cut open your packages. So here I am opening my box. Limited time offer. Get a free Microderm when you refer a friend, and your friend will also get a Microderm when they join as a gift from you. So I'll have a link to this if you want that in the description of the video, and then my little magazine telling me what everything is, what it supports. So that'll be some fun bedtime reading. Open. Smells good. So I have a postcard by the same artist who did the box, who is Cynthia Kittler. It's a very cool postcard. I love the inclusion in it. Let's see. This one I'm really excited about. It is a Tease glass tumbler. So let's take a look at it. Who doesn't need some more hydration? So that's a really nice sleeve. And it is a glass in glass tumbler with an insert for fruit or tea. I have a feeling I'll be making some tea this afternoon, and I can just drink that and keep it hot or cold in here. I'm really excited about this. That's not even going back in the box. That box is gone. So I'm gonna go recycle this. This actually, I'm trying to see who this supports. Everything, that's why we make all sustainable, all natural, loose leaf tea blends that aren't just good for you, they're good for our planets. 10% of products from this product will be invested in programs that empower the lives and businesses of women. Very cool. So that's staying out. What else? I have a little bracelet. So this, let me open it up. This is a rose gold twisted cuff. And I always like to wear bracelets because my hands are on camera so often. So I'll put that on in a minute. And this is from Tribe Alive. And the book will tell me what cause this company supports. I have an organic basil grow kit. I have to talk to my daughter-in-law. Actually, both of my daughters-in-law are incredible gardeners. I'm not. So we'll see if I have any chance at all of keeping this alive. I want to, because I could wear basil as perfume. I did get to choose this. I think it was this or makeup wipes. I think the bracelet, it was a bracelet. I don't remember what the other choice was. And this was a choice that I could either get this or a lantern, but I really wanted the tea bottle. I don't remember what the other choice was for that. I have towels. So these are cotton towels or a robe. And I'm so glad they gave me a choice because I'm a bigger girl and one size fits all often doesn't fit me. So here are my towels and my hand towels. This is a really nice cotton weave in here, and these are gray, which will go great. I have one bathroom that is gray and one last bathroom I haven't decided the color on yet. So these will get washed and put in my new guest bathroom that was just redone after a tree went through the roof. And the paint on the walls is nearly black, so this will look great with that. And let's see. Oh, there's more. very excited about this. This is a bamboo serving set. I'm into all things charcuterie right now and just serving everything on a board. I'm having company tomorrow morning, so this came in the perfect time for brunch. So I'm gonna see my grandkids and I'm gonna put some cut up fruit on here for them. And it has cute little tongs and a little spoon for that. Perfect time. And I'm gonna use the bowls I got in the last Causebox to hold some of the dips. And let's see, the last thing, what's this one? A face brightening serum. And this is black currant and carrot. Promote moisture and prevent dehydration, which is really good for me at this time of year because I get dried out the second the heat comes on. So anyway, that is my Causebox, and I'm really excited about it. If you want to get one too, I'll have a link above that you can join, and you'll get a free PMD Microderm. So I'll put a link above for that. And you can get a present in the mail on a day you might really need it too. I already bought one of these for my sister, and my husband bought one for me because I was so jealous of my sisters. If you want to give yourself a present, this is a